will be visiting this aquarium.
Hoi.
That we just went
Really
to get
scary.
his prices. Yes, I know. Here we've got alligator Mississippiensis. Normally animal parks have got information charts that show information about that animal. We've got a juvenile Nile crocodile. Isn't he so cute? That water monitor. Big snapping turtle. That's a snapping turtle. Here we've got a Nile crocodile. Here we've got 3 Nile crocodiles. Aren't they beautiful? Nile crocodile is the second largest crocodile after the saltwater crocodile. Isn't it incredible? Here we've got a few ducks and gooses. They are the cutest little stuff on earth. Here we have a male mandarin duck. A quite interesting fact about them is that the males will go back to the same female. There is an egg. Quite a various diets. They eat water plants, fish, ton of stuff. I can't say how much. Water plants, just normal vegetation, and all sorts of stuff. Here we've got some goose. What is that thing? I don't know the name. Ducks and pieces. Oh, there's a seal. Here we've got a cape for seal. And here's an interesting fact about them. They have more blood than any animal. Wow. And they can hold their breath for about 2 hours. Let's see if we can get in the toys. Let's see what else there is here. A pelican, and a quite interesting fact of them, you see that giant beak. Now there's something in called a crop, and they can actually store food in there. And there seems to be, sorry I got delivered. Quite interesting fact about the Nile crocodile, there's quite a lot of them, is that you see that bony plates on them that can actually absorb the heat, like it acts like solar panels. And another interesting fact is that is one of the oldest reptiles. Seems to be a side-neck terrapin. I just want to get that red head. Somatic turtle. Oh, so it's not that. An interesting fact. Where is interesting fact? The sex of the red slider is determined by the temperature during development. Another interesting. Red-eared sliders live around ponds and can swim well underwater. Pond sliders communicate with touching and vibration. This leopard tortoise right here can weigh up to 40 kilograms. That's amazing. Here we've got some koi fish and Mozambique tilapia. They're both important for the pet trade and the aquaculture. People began breeding with koi's in the 19th century in Japan, specifically for their colors. They come in
Yellow, red, blue and black. Isn't it amazing?
There is the black Anna. Which lands black Anna? More fish, more fish. Okay. Cool. Fish.
A grass carp.
Oh, that's grass.
The small ones. No, the big ones or the giant carp.
And then that is a
The
small.
small one is a grass.
Okay. That's funny. Oh, there's some more fishes. All this
Large scale yellowfish.
large scale yellowfish. Yeah, we've got large mouth bass. Why is this fish
Big.
like that?
Large mouth bass.
Large mouth bass. This is a paper mouse. Probably not gonna fish a paper mouse because its mouth might tear into pieces. This is marine crayfish. Oh, there it is. There's one. Crayfish. A marine crayfish. Wow, a beautiful fish. There's some fish. Wait, this big fish right there. Wow.
No name.
Okay, see you at the bird park.